Hi everyone, good evening and welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Welcome back and happy Friday. So today I'm doing a protein treatment. I'm going to tell you some things about protein treatments and what I get and what is false, what people think about protein treatments. Okay. So today, like I said, I'm doing a protein treatment. What I'm doing is just filling my hair. It's really thick. I have gained so much new growth. I am so proud of myself. I really can't wait till I get my relaxer. Yes. Okay, so I am going to go under my hooded dryer with this protein treatment. Normally, I don't do under dryers with the protein treatment, and the reason being because I stretch longer, so I feel that it's needed. Okay, so I'm going to tell you some things that protein treatment does to the hair and what a relaxer does to the hair as well. Okay, so protein treatments really help to restore the hair's natural protein bonds that are broken during a relaxer. This is the protein that I'm using from Oars. Now, a lot of people feel that once you get a relaxer, it it strips or take away your proteins. Okay, when you get a relaxer, that relaxer does break the protein bonds that we have. It never strips or take away the proteins that we have. It's part of our DNA. Okay, so it would never go away. It can be broken, but it would never ever go away. Okay, it's part of our DNA. So let's use our head, okay, and stop listening to trash because it is trash or hogwash. Okay, all right. So once we add proteins to our hair, okay, it strengthens our hair and it builds those bonds back up. Okay, so your proteins that you have, what you were born with, it's never going to go away. Never. That's just like your eyebrows, your eyelashes, your fingers. It would never ever go away, no matter what you put on there. Never. Okay. Protein treatments also strengthen and reduces breakage. It helped my hair. It brought my hair back. It also improves the hair's elasticity. Overall healthy hair, y'all. Okay, you can have healthy hair with a relaxer. You just have to take care of it. Do a protein treatment when needed. Okay, I may add healthier hair. My hair looks great. It's thicker, it's growing. Okay, I'm letting my natural grays show. I love it. I am not afraid. I'm 63 and Lord knows, I really be glad when my hair is all white. I'm not afraid of that. Okay. I look good for a 63-year-old woman, and I praise God for that. All right. One thing I may add again, proteins, they do build the hair structure. Now I'm going to go under my hooded dryer for approximately 20 minutes. It says 15, but I'm doing an extra 5 minutes because I stretch every 28 weeks. I may stretch longer. I'm still thinking about that, but I only do a protein twice a year, 2 weeks before I get a relaxer, and then maybe a month after I get that relaxer. Okay, and I'm done. But once you put a protein in your hair after relaxer, okay, that helps to strengthen the hair back up and it can stop breakage. It really will stop breakage. Okay. So the only thing that I see is just my regular shedding with the little white bulb on top. I see long strands of hairs. I don't see short strands of hair like someone chopped my hair off. Okay. So you can have healthy hair. Everything has penetrated very, very well. I'm loving that. My hair is soft, it is moisturized, and it feels hydrated. It really, really does. So I'm going to rinse this out and I am going to deep condition. Yes, I am for about a 15 minutes. And then I'm going to style my hair as usual. I really pray that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to share my videos as well. And also don't forget to like. Lord's will, You will see me in the next video. This is what I'm going to put on my hair. Thank you ever so kindly for watching. Mwah. God bless you. Bye.